All right, guys. This is Ify-Greg Electrical Global Services. So everything we dey here now, we can't show now the work where we dey on. This one now na fence piping now we dey on. So everything here we want fix light. We want do piping in a way that they fix lights on the fence. So that the house to make the house more beautiful. So everything we there now, we don't already do piping, we don't already do the chiseling inside. Now pipe we dey fix on now. So you will follow me more go inside because outside here now we never fix pipe here. So but we are still on it, on the progress. So I will go follow me go inside. I'm gonna show now the ones we don't already do. So what we they do for here now, what we do for living. We are here to show you everything about our work. So we will be bringing you updates back to back. So as our customer they see this video, they give us trust, they give us work. So now so we go still dey show na proof say yes wetin we dey do as we dey play dey show. As we dey do am we dey show you proof, dey show you say material wey we use for here, wey we dey use for you na wetin we write for you, everything na perfectly as we just demand for it. So we no fit do you wuruwuru say you pay for dignity you use blue pipe, or you pay for blue pipe you use short pipe. No, we dey show you everything casted in a quality way, in your own best. So if you see the video, if e no be wetin we agree, if e no be wetin we talk on agreement, then you confirm am, you can sue us to any court wey you choice of your choice. So bring the camera make we show una inside wetin we dey do for inside, how the work dey go on. So as you dey see, so boys are on the work is going on. So come this way, see the material wey we dey use. See am na flexible pipe, na blue pipe, na dey very flexible, e dey bend well well. So na perfect one. And as you dey see am now, the piping we don already do chiseling as I explained earlier. You see the pipe here, see am dey bend 360 degree, dey fold. If you want make e turn round, e dey turn round. So in case you still dey see this video, you wan follow us buy material, we still dey deal on material, everything dey kampe, u-box, everything wey we wan use for this piping, coupler, everything dey on ground. So see our tools here, no be say na whining. As you dey see am, you go say why we dey shine like this, say e no look like say we dey do the work, but boys dey on the work. So as you can see, boys dey busy. Sometimes if boys no dey available, then we take over. So that is how we do it. We don't do stainless, no, we dey stain. Sometimes now if na me dey this work now, I fit no see chance take carry camera here. But if I dey work, if I no dey work, I will just, if boys dey inside, I will just put on camera. So everything you dey see for here now, you see, na the people, na the family people, na dem dey do am. Na the mama grave be this one. So you dey see am, we don already dey do the piping, dey come this side. Yes, bring the camera, dey come. Carry the camera come. Oh yeah. So as you dey see am, both the inside the house we dey do everything, both inside house, everything. No be say no only fence. You dey see am now, everything dey go on, everything dey go on. See am, you don't need to go put light for all these pillars. We just fix light, follow all of them, follow me. Maybe during the wiring we go still carry you come, we go still show na how the wiring goes, how, because like this now, na fit no understand anything for this piping wey we dey do now. This one na just laying of pipe and chiseling. So e go look rough like this, but when be say we don already do this piping finish, then plaster don go on, then they don do painting, you come fix light, you show you the beauty of this house. You go really like, and you come remember say that your house wey be say they no do fence piping, they no do fence wiring, you go know say they miss a lot. So as you dey see am, as you dey see this video, please like, comment and share, so that the platform go dey grow, so that we can be bringing you more updates, yeah, on Ify-Greg Electrical Global Services. So everything wey you dey see for you go with quality and the trust. What you ordered for is what we give you. You understand? So our materials is on ground, everything done on ground. The person wey get this work, we don already come supervise am this morning, supervise the material, everything complete as you dey use am. So come with me. As you dey see am, so the reason why we dey show you this one na this fence, na fence piping na we dey now. So as you dey see, as you dey play e dey show, as you dey play e dey show. You no fit promise you A, we give you B. We promise you A, we give you A. We promise you B, we give you B. So that when be say you drag us, we tell you say go back to agreement. Understand? So you dey see am. Na here we start the video before. Na around the house 50 by 100 feet perimeter fence. That is what we are on now. So you can see. Carry on. So guys, this is Ify-Greg Electrical Global Services. So we urge you to please like, comment and share. We thank all our customers for giving us, for patronizing us. It's not easy. We know it's not easy. So especially in Nigeria, to send that money to do work for you with trust and trust on us. So you know easy, but we are giving you the best you want. So we thank you very much. We say may God bless our customers abundantly, times 100, times 100, times 100, so that they will give us more. Because the more God they bless our customer, the more they bring more work for us, the more they bless us also. So just be like say when you pray for another person, they come back to you. That this is exactly the final definition of it. When God bless our customers, we get job, we give us more money to, he pay us more money in our workmanship to do the best job for them. So as update they go, we dey bring am for una to show una say this is the perfect way of this work. So we dey current and updated. As they just dey bring the update, any part of this piping, wiring wey we see dey come up, we dey inform our customers. That is why our platform become the best, because we do this work with experience and update. You understand? So any part of the work wey we see dey come up new, we no dey use old pattern dey take dey follow our client. You know say customers fit no know everything about am, but now we go give you the best, tell you say this is the best wey you need, this is the material wey you need to buy, this is what we need, this is the update one. So when you say no, you no fit do that one, do the normal one, we no still depart from that one, we still go on. You understand? So we still hold on everyone we go with. So we bring the update, we use the current one, use the old one, anyone you want. But we know they do fake work, we know they do fake material, we know they use fake material. If you want make we do work for you with fake material, carry the work give another person, we know they do and we know they accept them. So that is what we do. In I dey give you serious go ahead encouragement, no bring the work to Ify-Greg Electrical. So carry and go to another person. That is our quality. Yes, that is our quality. We decide not to do, instead of doing work wey we say tomorrow you go come tell us say na Ify-Greg do this work, they say this one, because the agreement go fit, if you forget the agreement, but with the result of it at that time, you no go forget. You go still remember who do am. So that is why we say carry the work go to another person, you know they do that kind of one. So but anything about quality and the best, we are on it. So that's where we stick on. That is our priority. Thank you very much for watching our video to this point and liking our video. Please, we ask you, for those who never like and you will never like, you will never share, please like, comment and share, so that your people will be say, if you know ready to do your own now, you go see people where, if you get people around where say they won't do their work but they don't get the right link, so if you share, give them, then from there they go wake up the spirit. Thank you.